Alright, just want to show you guys the hardware I designed. This is a piece of 3D printed ABS plastic with 1/8 inch MPT on the back. So I was able to design this in SolidWorks 3D print out. So this is just a GM decapped injector. Flows roughly 500 milliliters a minute, which is enough to support about 500 horsepower. So just nylon airline running back along with the electrical wires for the injector. Goes down to this Amazon $20 RV water pump. There you go, model number BYT78A. There we go. 102. 3 amp, 12 volt pump. And it has a little screw on the end. Right there. Crank that screw down to get the pressure up. So I had a gauge on here at one point, and I just kept cranking on it until I got the pressure up to about 65 or so, 70 pounds. What I've noticed is the GM injectors won't do much over 80 pounds. They just won't open at all. So you have to kind of limit the max pressure you send to it to make it work. Yep, so that's it. So then I also have a relay over here somewhere. This guy. Essentially what happens is got off my distribution block under here, wire runs down to the relay, and the other side of the relay comes to here. Also have 12 volts loop back into itself, and then the ECU switches that on. Looks like it's this green wire here. Yeah, which should be what do we use? The F idle output pin to turn the relay on, and then VVT to PWM the injector. Alright, so the idea is we mount my contraption here, 3D printed parts in the injector, to the inlet of the turbo. Got this little safety screen under here. This thing's kind of hard to do. So the idea is water gets sprayed down into the inlet of the turbo. Hopefully the screen disperses the air or the water. Hopefully the screen disperses the water as it goes past a little bit better than just a straight nozzle, but that's the fundamental idea right there. Finish this video up showing you guys the water injection function within the MS3. So at the top left, on off, pick our output, idle is one I have left. Slow allows you to set the frequency. If you pick fast, it will run the output at the same frequency as engine RPM, so I picked 26 Hertz. I'm using VVT to drive the injector. So the idea is throttle position greater than 10%, more than 2,000 RPM, manifold pressure above 90, manifold air temp above 60 to turn everything on. So in Tucson we're at 92 kPa, plus or minus 1 kPa. Gets you, the injector will, the water will start flowing just as you get to about 100% engine load. So, and then RPM across the X, manifold pressure across the Y. I generally run up across and through here just under 200%. Run up across through here, 50, 60, 70% duty cycle for the water flow. So that that concludes my do-it-yourself water injection kit. I have a whole $20 in the setup. The only thing the average guy would be lacking would be the 3D printed parts, and maybe the SolidWorks experience. Hit me up. I could probably send you guys some steel files where you can send them off to get printed, or can even send you the XG3 code for the MakerBot line of printers. Thanks.